today we're in a location in Hastings in East Sussex. This area is the old Ore Valley railway line, and it's literally the last electric point along the line where the electric stops and the diesel trains take over. This here is an old siding, obviously it's not here anymore, but obviously you can still see the tracks and stuff. So what the trains used to do is obviously come up here, come to the sidings obviously up here, and it's quite interesting because I'll take you somewhere else as well actually. And along here used to be the old siding. So here, where this fence is, used to be the old railway line, and it used to shunt obviously the trains and the coaches and carriages things with it. Basically what it was is from there along here to run it to the power plant that used to be here. Now what I'll do is I'll put some descriptions in the video when I put it on YouTube of links and stuff for the history of the power station. This actually is the old railway line here I'm walking on. Obviously they've built a children's playground there now and that, but it's literally here. What you do is you used to be able to come up along the side here, and along here you'll be able to see the railway line. There we go. You used to actually just roll along here, and you can still see the tracks here actually, so I'm just up here. Obviously there's a railway line there, so obviously what I used to do is obviously come along here and then obviously you've got all this trodden down path here. And what another one used to do is come along here as well. This fence here where the train's going past, along this railway line here. I'll just take you all to this bit here, and here we go. As the trains are going off up there, the last electric point on the line just up there, there's just another railway bit here. You can actually see the junction coming off. Obviously the points would go over to this line here, and you can actually see the old railway line down there. All along here now, obviously they've built a children's nursery next door, but you can still see the remains on the floor here. Just as you go along and up here, you can still see the railway line down there, but they've just left the metal on. And obviously what they've done is to shame you, but they've concreted over, which is a shame really. They've obviously built here now, it's all obviously concreted over now, but come out here, the railway line would have come along here, here to here, through this gate here, and to the old power plant which is at the back there. Which I can't even get in really, I'm not even going to start jumping in there, but if you have a look around here, that's the old power plant just in there. So you transport obviously much of the feed in the power station with like coal or something, that's probably, or it wouldn't be gas or anything like that, would it? And I don't think it would have been nuclear because the fence would be down like that, and it wouldn't be so easy to get into, and people wouldn't be on there if it was nuclear. So I've got the coal power station. Anyway, so this is it, Jack the Kipper on YouTube. Don't forget, people, like, subscribe and share. I'll just give you an inkling of what it is here. Look, you can see just a railway line just up over here. There. And you can see the trains that just go around there. That down there is the Ore train station. And look down there, the trains just stopped at. So this point here, where the fence is down there, as you can see through the gap, the black fence, right to the end with the signal boxes, you would have had that bit going off of it. You can actually see, you look down the line there, you can actually see, you look round to the left track there, you can actually see the line still bearing off. Don't forget, like, subscribe and like, subscribe and share, people. Thank you.